This, what, my friends, is why we don't trade healthcare. If you are in healthcare, you're going to wake up to things like this, okay? It's going to happen. I'm telling you. That's why we have completely excluded healthcare from our trading plan because of bullcrap like this. Novo Nordisk. Okay, so I did look up the news of this because I was interested. And let's NVO. Novo Nordisk released news. They had a GLP-1 weight loss trial that had a 23% success rate. But it wasn't 25%, who some other company had a trial on. So therefore, 15% must be evacuated from the market immediately. Like, that is how fickle the healthcare industry is. No way. Just don't even put yourself in that risk whatsoever.
Here, this is Novo Nordisk. Novo Nordisk is...
Dude, Patrick's totally right. Here, healthcare, where wins, because it's a 23% win, 23% weight loss win, can become losses for no reason whatsoever. We're going to wipe off 15% of the market cap of this company. We're going to erase hundreds of millions, potentially billions of dollars, because the results were great, but not greater than enough. Oh my gosh.
Is getting crushed by about 15% pre-market. They basically came out with a study on their latest new weight loss drug, and it underperformed. It performed less than even Eli Lilly's weight loss drug. And so that stock is dropping today because of that. But in massive sell-offs, what do? We say, okay, well, where are the technicals telling us that there could be a bounceable, tradable level? And if we go to the chart,
no. If you are in a downtrend and it's just sold off really ugly, nasty, hard, there is no reason on God's green earth that you need to be looking to buy this stock. The stock itself just told you, nobody wants to own me. You do not, under any circumstance, come in to say, I'll be that guy. Chris James would do it, though. Chris James would be like, now the time to buy the dip. I can't do it not in full costume. I'm not going to go in costume. But here, I mean, like legitimately, if let's compare assets to consumables. I love to do this, right? Asset, a house, right? If your house fell 15% in value overnight, well, let me rephrase that. If the house you wanted to buy, there you go, around the corner, 1814 Main Street. 1814 Main Street just fell 15% overnight. Are you rushing in to buy that house right away? Of course not. You're asking around like, why did this just drop 15% overnight? Oh, it's because the foundation just collapsed. The foundation of the house just collapsed into a sinkhole. You do not, under any circumstance, go after a stock like this. Period. Full stop. I'm not buying this with Gareth's money. No freaking way do you go chasing dips like this, because you don't know how far it can dip. Just like you don't know how far you're going to fall when you fall in the sinkhole at 1814 Main Street. At some point in time, somebody's going to come in, they're going to fix it, it's going to get all better, and the price of that property will go up. But I'm not paying for it. Sure as Blaze is not paying for it. No, ma'am. No, sir. Are you going to be the one to figure out where that bottom is? By all means, you go buy it, but I'm not buying it. No way. This is crazy. This is actual crazy talk.
Charts here, and we flip over to the daily chart. In fact, I'm going to go to the weekly chart. There's this major technical support down here. Look at this, guys.
This doesn't matter. This is from 2020. This is the market cycle. Oh my gosh. Yeah, stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not get in the way of a stage 4 downtrend. Okay, first off, I'm the business of responding, not prediction. Telling the future is impossible and unnecessary. Trading is a now business. Right now, this stock is screaming, I am going down. I'm not going down with that shit. By all means, you can, but I'm not. Hang on. There actually is a slide here that I want to do. Is it there? Here we go. Okay, remember, let's say you love this company and you want it to go up and you are such a big believer in the stock. Remember, while you do nothing, less experienced, lesser disciplined, and less skilled investors like that guy are going to lay the groundwork for your success. Let them build the bases and we'll buy the breakouts. Under no circumstances should you even consider touching NVO stock.
Gets down to 38 to 37. The reason is, if we look at Novo Nordisk, it was just kind of going along. It was floating up a little bit. And then you could see right in here, okay, here we kind of went up, rejected, went up, rejected, went up, rejected, and then we broke out. And this breakout zone right here, okay, this was the beginning of the bigger bull move.
Yeah. Remember, when the tent goes over the 20, price goes over the 50, I can tell you direction. I can tell you for sure that was trending up. I can't tell you magnitude and I can't tell you duration, but I can tell you direction for sure all day, every day. That is the direction right there. But there are also times where you might make a buck or lose a buck. When are you as an investor going to get paid? When the price of your stock is going up. That is it. When the price of your stock is going up, that is the only time you're going to get paid. If it was 150 up here and now it's down to 30, come on, Clicky. You better work. Now it's down to 37. It's down 73%. This stock is telling you something. You get to choose. Are you smart enough to listen, or are you too smart for your own good and think that, oh, this is the bottom? By the way, that's the support level right there, this outlier block that he's looking for. That's the bottom, baby. Here we go. Here we go. I wonder how much it has to go up to get back to new all-time highs. Only 276%. Duh. Just buy it. It has to go up. It has to go up. People who are actually successful in the market, they understand the only time they make money in their bank account is when the price is going up. Do you know the path of least resistance when the price is going up? That's right. Up. The path of least resistance when it's going up is up. It is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Trends love to trend, and they will continue to trend until the time where they stop and they come back down. This is your market cycle over and over and over again. I got to show it to you guys. Just because it went up in the past does not mean it will go up in the future. If you missed it over here, I'm sorry. It's tough luck. That doesn't give you an excuse to buy it over here, because here we go again, baby. Don't listen to anything that anybody tells you about this is where it's going to bottom and go back up. Don't do it. I can't tell you duration. I can't tell you magnitude, but I can sure as places tell you direction. And until I decide to be one of those fake gurus on YouTube, I guess I'll just continue to be lacking in views, but growing in my bank account. How you like that? How you like that? All right. So listen, if this was helpful to you, be sure you like and subscribe, because we are actually competing in the US Investing Championship in this on this channel. Link down below is my actual trading plan that has actually been back tested, that actually makes money. And when there's nothing to do, it's sitting in cash and not effing up. All right. So if you're ready to save time, make money, and start with less risk, click one of these two videos. We'll talk soon.